Allie.
I'm Mary.
Today we're gonna do blindfolded and death baking.
Yeah. So she's gonna have a blindfold on, and I'm gonna have your earbuds in, and we're gonna make sugar cookies.
Ta-da! Okay, I hit the button. Okay. You start.
Oh shoot. Alright. Heat oven to 350. We did that. Stir cookie. Oh, I need a bowl.
The oven is preheated.
Oh, shoot. Okay. So we're gonna mix softened butter, water, vanilla, and egg in a medium bowl. So
But no
okay,
vanilla.
wait. So I'll get the butter in the cup and I'll let you put it in here.
Okay.
Okay. So I need half a cup of butter. Wait. Sorry. Okay, here you go. Okay, so this is the butter. So we're gonna need to do 2 of those because that's a quarter cup.
Okay.
You got it. Yay! Okay, one more. Oh, I'm sorry. I started doing. Alright.
I can hear the music a little bit.
Hey, Ellie, would you like to crack an egg?
Sure.
I can't hear you, so here you go.
Okay. Wait, I can actually do this really well. Okay, ready? Ready?
Now I need a tablespoon of water. I'll do that though.
Okay, I'll walk this to the trash.
Oh no, Ellie. No, oh. It's all the way. You're not even close. Turn around. I'll just take it from here. Oh shoot. I didn't put the water in, no. I'm just putting the water in right now. Can you hear my music?
Sometimes. Not this song, the last.
Okay, so now mix softened butter, water, vanilla, and egg in a medium bowl. Oh, and the cookie mix. You can put the cookie mix in.
You have like scissors?
Or
Or
I'll just open it.
Okay.
You got this. It's so buttery. Okay,
It's a little bit of egg too.
What?
Oh, see, I thought you would have cut the whole top off.
You're all done. Great job. Okay, now you're gonna mix it. Here you go.
Great. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Do you want to mix them?
I'm gonna help you out a little bit.
Okay.
If you want to wash your hands, the bathroom is probably better.
Okay.
I just saw you coming over. Oh my god. Okay. So now we gotta scoop it onto the cookie thing. I have this here. So,
Okay. This will be a fun game.
so here's this. Okay, and the sheet is right here.
Okay.
Okay. I packed the thing a little more.
Okay. Okay.
These are gonna be some big cookies.
That's good.
That's a big scoop. Yes, yes. Those are nowhere near each other, but it's okay.
I went for one side and then the other.
Do you think these are gonna spread a lot? They might. I'm not sure. Not gonna stop. Not gonna stop till I get this. Okay.
That's like a row. Yeah? Yeah. Did she show the camera? I bet she did.
Okay, okay. Nope. We're gonna go back towards the back a little bit. Nope, the other back. Yeah, there you go. Oh. Okay.
That felt
This one isn't very as full.
okay.
That's okay though.
It's very sticky.
Oh, wow. It's on the counter. It's on the counter.
Is it on there now?
Yes.
I just thought it was too close.
Okay, I'd put one more on this one. Okay, so I can't hear you, but it's okay because I can have a one-sided conversation and then just assume you're also like talking.
Totally agree.
I can see your mouth moving though. You can't see my mouth moving.
I cannot, but I can hear you very clearly. So if you talk and read my lips, we could have a conversation. No? Okay. Where should I put this one?
Oh, okay. Your hand is covered.
Where?
Yay! Okay,
That
we
was
can put them in. These are some big sugar cookies. But I replaced them on the thing, so now we're gonna put them in the oven. For how many minutes?
Can I guess? 12.
11 to 13. So that's right in the middle.
Awesome.
All right, Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes, starting now.
All right,
All
you
right.
tell me when that goes off.
I'm gonna try and get to the bathroom myself this time.
Okay. All right, turn a little more. Nope. Yeah. Walk, walk, walk.
Wow.
Turn now.
Nice.
Yay! So, I think that sugar cookies, at least coming, I think that sugar cookies are just too basic of a cookie for me to like them. But I'd also say that chocolate chip cookies are also basic, but they're just so good.
No, I think I like sugar cookies better. Yeah.
I
And
would
the
have to
frosting
say
too.
my favorite. Oh, you're still talking.
No.
I would say my favorite cookie. Honestly, a good chocolate chip cookie sounds very good. Because, like, I don't know. Like, I've never had a bad day when I've had a chocolate chip cookie, but like, I've never had a bad day when I had a sugar cookie. But like, I don't know. I feel like it's more apt to happen if I'm having a sugar cookie, because like, there's more that can go wrong.
I like a sugar cookie because it's like festive, like Christmas sugar cookies and stuff. Yeah,
We're standing in the same position. I didn't realize until just now. Which is funny because I don't put my hands on my hips that much. You know?
Mine's a center of balance.
It's like a superhero pose. Power pose. Not about to be another. Alright.
Okay, so we're gonna set up for the frosting.
Oh
of
no,
them.
they're not done.
But you can still set up for the frosting.
What? Yeah, I'm not gonna hear you, so I don't know what I'm trying.
The frosting?
Yeah, she's doing it.
And then when we frost, she's gonna also be blindfolded. And,
Okay, so we got green, blue, and pink, and white.
green, blue, and pink and white. You gotta tell me the order, man. These are sprinkles. I got 2 things of sprinkles. I brought these just because I like
I'm
them.
gonna put one of these in each of them. There's not a lot of pink
This one's
and blue, but there's lots of green.
Okay, we'll have some green and white cookies. Michigan State, woohoo. These are rainbow, and these are blue. Rainbow, blue. How do I know which color? Which color is which?
Which what?
Which color is
Okay,
which?
so we got white,
White,
pink,
pink,
blue,
blue,
green.
green.
White, pink, blue, green.
White, pink, blue, green. Okay.
Yeah.
We'll just-
Oh wait, do you want to try saying something?
So, it's gonna be another like, I
Oh, I'm sorry.
Attention.
I got too into the song.
I
I don't know.
played,
Blake.
played,
Blinked.
played,
Bleed.
played, played,
Played. Oh, I spit in your face.
volleyball,
Golf.
volleyball.
Volleyball.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Ready? Okay, you ready? Okay, you ready? Okay, you ready? Ready? Mary.
What'd you say?
Mary.
Barry.
Mary.
Mary. What are you looking for?
I'm just the counter.
I don't know what you said.
The counter.
I'm here to dance for. To
Where's-
determine.
Just right here. No, still not right here.
What are you doing?
Where
You're
am I?
grazing the counter.
Where am I? Where am I?
Stop it. You want the phone is this way.
I just wanted to see the counter. This is what I wanted.
One bomb, one big
I wonder how-
taken out by alcohol. I'm not gonna stick my hand in the oven.
That's a good idea. How far that way did
These
I
are not cooking. They are like they are raw.
Go team.
All right, Ellie.
Yep.
Guess how many fingers I'm holding up?
7.
7? No.
4.
Oh, that's kind of.
5.
No.
3.
No.
8.
Yes. I did 2 fours.
I thought maybe you weren't counting your thumb and it was 5. On the floor.
Oh my god, the sky is so pretty!
I can't see it.
You can't see it.
My first trip to wash my hands was kind of scary. I had no idea where I was. And then it was like dark and then like light. Second time, I
You know
almost
how
got lost.
colors? Oh, your mouth was moving. Okay,
I don't remember. What's the order again?
I told you.
Tell me again.
It's white, pink, blue, green.
White, pink, blue, green. I'm not gonna remember. White, pink,
Now
blue,
it's not.
green. Say they all shuffled.
I like the order better now, though.
What's the new order?
I'm gonna check out the cookies.
White. It's not white, pink, blue, green. I bet.
I'm not gonna.
White, pink, blue, green. Maybe it's like pink, green, blue, white. Pink, blue, white, green. Green, blue, white.
They could be done. They're very fluffy.
That's okay.
Ellie.
I got him.
I'm grabbing plates.
I had that idea already.
Wait a minute.
Okay.
The cookies are over here, and we can start decorating in just a second. Shine like one in a film I've seen. Yay.
This is so fun. Wait.
Alright, I'm putting my
Read
blindfold.
lips. Ready? This is so fun.
One word
This-
at a time. This
Is
is
so fun. Fun.
fake
Fun.
fun. Yeah, it is fun. Alright, I'm putting my blindfold on.
Okay. Oh, this is my cookie. Here's your cookie. Okay, I see. Oh, it's heavy.
The Jonas Brothers are blasting in my ear right now. Okay.
No, you have no. I broke my.
Ah,
cookie.
shoot, I forgot the order. Alright, you can frost your cookie now.
Okay. I'd really like to know what color I'm using.
Oh, shoot. This is hard. Oh, I'm touching the cookie. Okay.
I picked
I
mine
think
up.
I'm gonna do a base layer. Oh, gosh. This is getting over. Okay.
Maybe I do have pink
Okay.
and I just got lucky. I
Okay.
did have a 25%
This
chance
is fine.
of having pink, so I'm just gonna keep going with this color.
I think these earbuds are about to die. You better run. Here we come. Revving our engines under the sun. Okay. I think that color is definitely on there. It's also on my hand.
She
Oh.
said I had the most green, so maybe this one's green.
I don't
You can
want
have
this
that one if you
color.
want.
Oh.
Wait.
Leather, ready to go. Don't stop the music. We ride fast like a bullet. We do anything we
This
want.
one's totally
Anytime
white.
we want. Oh yeah. Oh
I
yeah.
almost fell.
We just ride all day. Not gonna live
I just want
any
the
other way.
sprinkles. Nope.
Oh, I need to keep decorating.
I didn't know.
Okay,
this had
so we got-
sprinkles.
Okay, we've got 2 knives in the same one. That wasn't like that before. 100 little
I think I'm all
birds.
set. There's sprinkles and there's
Okay.
frosting and there's a cookie.
1,
She's all.
2, 3. Where are the sprinkles?
Oh, it was blue.
Oh.
Oh, I did a great job.
Okay.
I did a great job. You're gonna go see our faces.
Alright.
I did
I'm
a
calling
great
it
job.
good.
Me too.
Are you done?
Yeah.
me twice?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, cute.
We did so good. They're actually so cute. You couldn't see our faces while we were doing it, but it was cute.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we were kind of like this.
That's okay. So we got the cookies. Mine's pink and blue, and I knew I was
I got
getting
a-
pink and blue.
Lucky.
Oh, wait.
I just had to guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I had blue
This is
and then a
going
little bit of white and then just like all the sprinkles.
It looks like it was made by a 5-year-old.
Okay, wait, go like this.
Alright.
Okay.
And chop. Tastes pretty gluten free.
It's not terrible. I like it.
It's falling apart.
It was pretty done too.
What?
Just really crumbly. It's pretty done, just crumbly.
Oh, yeah. You're very sweet.
I like the sweetness. That's the good part. And they're good even without vanilla.
Oh, true. So,
Okay.
that was our cookie video!
I hope you had as much fun as I did.
Yes, I had lots of fun. Wow. We both had lots of fun. At
Lots
the same
of fun.
time. We said it at the same time.
Even though we were having totally different conversations.
Yeah. So,
2 different times. So much fun.
yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Stay magical.
Whoosh!